In this video, we are going to check how we are going to set our progress bar. And for this part, first we are going to get into our style.css file and set our progress bar. So I'm going to use the progress bar class, and I'm going to set a margin top of about 20 px. So there will be a distance between the progress bar and the rest of the elements above it. So it's a margin top. Then I'm going to set its width as 100% and height of 20 px and background color of white. Now let's check our website. It's kind of look like this. Now what I want to do is add a border and a border radius, and I want to hidden my overflow. So for that, as for the border, I'm going to set it at 1 px solid and a whitish color, and border radius of about 10 px along with the overflow hidden. So our progress bar become like this. Inside this progress bar, I'm going to set up my progress fill div, and for that select progress fill div, and need a height of 100%, so it will fit the progress bar. And I'm going to set its width as 0. So initially there will not see any progress fill on the progress bar, and I'm going to set its background color with the variable as primary color. And in order to show the transition, which means the progress, I want to add a transition. So for that, I'm applying on this transition on the width and of a 0.5 second, then is in and out. So now we have to set the width, and we need a function for this, and we are going to set this in the script.js file. And for that, I'm going to create a constant variable called progress fill, and here I'm going to select document dot get element by id using the id progress fill. Then I am going to create a user defined function called update progress, and for that function update progress, and inside this function I'm going to create 3 constant variables. First one is const total days in the habit tracker system. So this document dot query selector all, and selecting the day div, and so it has to be provided inside the string. Then next I'm going to find its length, and that's it. And I'm going to set another variable for complete days, which is the number of days that we clicked on the grid system. So for that I'm going to select document dot array selector all. Inside it I need a dot day dot complete class, and I'm going to find its length. And next I'm going to find the progress percentage. So for that I'm going to create a constant variable called progress percentage. And to calculate this, first I am going to take the complete days, and I'm going to divide this by total days multiplied by 100, so which will give the percentage. Next I'm going to select the progress fill, then its style, then its width, and its width. Then set this width as progress percentage as follows. Use this symbol. Yeah, that's it. So, and what I need is, when I click on this thing, I need to show progress here. So for that I have to give my update progress user defined function inside this add event listener. So I'm going to provide it. Now let's check whether it's working or not. So when I click on the day 1, showing the day 1 progress, and day 2, now it's shown the day 2 progress. On day 3, shown the day 3 progress, and so on. Now at the final part of this project, I'm going to make our website responsive. For that I'm going to use add media property 768px, and so whenever our website goes below the 768px, what I want to do is I want to select our Draco system. Inside this grid system, the columns within each row of our grid template would be, I'm going to set it as 4. So for that I'm going to select this grid template columns property and select the repeat function. Then I'm going to set the number of columns within a row as 4 with the 1 FR size. So that's all about it. Now I'm going to make it responsive. So let's inspect this. Okay, now it's below 768 px. So our columns within the grid system along a row would become 4. So we can select different devices for this and confirm that our responsive system is working fine. So this is all about our project, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share it with other friends. Thank you for watching.